Welcome to POUSE Out of the House, and today I'm out on the DRZ400. The Grom's still tucked away in the garage. I really need to get that out for a spin sometime soon. The reason I'm here today is I've actually pop out and do a quick inspection for something with a day job. So I thought I'd take the bike because it's a lovely day, and while I'm up this way I'm going to pop up to Blaenavon because actually I need to go and get some, I want some caps and some t-shirts printed with the logos for this channel. I've sort of finally, I think, perfected the logo. I've been mucking around with it for a while. When the channel started two months ago, I think it was 2 months ago, maybe 3 now, I don't know. I had this logo sorted and then I sort of changed it and then I changed it again, and I'm always like that. And I think sometimes you need to see it, click on the page on the YouTube channel, look on your phone, keep looking at these little things that annoyed me, and I thought I'm just going to change the size of that, change the size of this, and I think I finally got it to a point where, whoop, I just stalled then, sorry. Finally got it to a point where I'm happy with the logo, so I'm going to pop up to a place I've been before in Blaenavon. That's an old mining town. But yeah, I'm going to get a cap, I want some t-shirts for myself. I'll just see what they do, what prices. A lot of my friends in the past, stag do's, that kind of thing. We've always had our stuff done there. They're always really cheap. They always supply pretty good products. And I'm a bit on the dirty side, my build, so they always got this one company, can't think of it now, the t-shirts, and I like the t-shirts. I know I could buy a load online myself and probably get them printed, but I only want a couple for now, so I'm going to go up anyway. I haven't been there for a couple of years, see what prices they do, and we'll have a look at getting some clothes to wear myself with the branding. And then if any of you are interested, obviously let me know in the comments below. We could do some merch, maybe merch as people call it, the cool thing to say, in it, merchandise, basically t-shirts, caps, mugs, I don't know, if there's anything you want, stickers. I don't know why any of you want to put my name on your clothes. Let me know in the comments below if that is something you'd be interested in, and I can look into maybe getting more of a batch order. Probably best you see the t-shirts and the caps first. Anyway, I'm almost where I need to be here, so I'm going to pop down this little lane. It's a bit of a strange place in the arse end of nowhere, but this is where I'm going to park today. And obviously I'd usually have the works van with the equipment in it, but I don't need any equipment today. It's only a quick inspection. So we're going semi-off-road here, and the locals will probably think, oh, it's an off-roader, what's he up to? Well, I'm going to have to park the bike down here. I'm not always keen on leaving stuff around here for too long, I'll be honest. Not the bike anyway. You never know who's kicking around, keeping an eye on it, but I'll only be 5 minutes, like I said, 5 or 10, so we should be alright parked up down here. So I'm going to leave the bike by here. I'll be back with you in a minute. Not sure if you can hear me in there. I've actually still got the camera strapped to the helmet and my head's wedged in it, so if anyone can see me, they probably think I've got some sort of problems. So that's the inspection done. I'm ready to head off now through Pontypool. I'll show you that in a minute. I just wanted to quickly mention as well, there's a few products that I actually got that I want to share with you. One of those is this held, I think that's the medium-sized bag. This particular bag, I love it. I won't go into detail anyway with this because I'm going to do a product review in another video, but for something like the Supermoto, it's brilliant. I've just strapped that, you can see, round the bar under there and just under the back of the seat, so I can actually pull the straps out. It's not even fastened under the seat on this. And it's perfect, it raises up as well. But anyway, I'm not going to go into too much detail like I said about that. We'll do that in another video. And the other thing is, I don't know if you can see in the mirror there, today I'm wearing my Revit air jacket. It's absolutely boiling today. Oh, look at that there, dog poo, you see that? I'll be so careful around here. Dirty, dirty bastards. Why don't people pick it up, for Christ's sake? Dirty. Yeah, so I got the Revit jacket on, and just then I've stopped. I'm absolutely boiling. The moment you get going again, oh, it's lovely, the air's going through my jacket already. So it's great because I've just got a t-shirt under here, and when you're moving it's just like having a t-shirt on, to be honest with you. But you've got the padding, I got the back pad in this as well. I had to buy that separately. I got this on discount, I think it was Sports Bike Shop. I got it for about 90 quid, £95 in the winter. They dropped all the prices and now they're back up to 130, so I bought at the right time. So it's the first day I've actually worn this jacket today, and honestly it's lovely to wear. It looks quite cool as well. The only thing I would say, if I was going to improve anything on it, I'd make the back a touch longer. I've got an RST jacket, like a short jacket, and that one's great because at the back it's got that slightly longer bit, and when you sat on the bike it just covers the base of your t-shirt or your jumper or whatever you're wearing, which I quite like because I sort of, you've got that security there, and if you do come off the bike you're nicely strapped up, you've got no flesh exposed. What I've noticed with this one, it's alright, it is covering me, but it's not quite as long. So if you've got quite a long torso or a body, you might find it a bit short, but I think that's part of the design as well. It's part of the look. You know, it's a bit of a retro sort of looking jacket, I suppose. But yeah, I love it. I bought the black as well. I know the black's going to attract the sun, but some of the other colours didn't look quite right to me. Like the brown, it looked a bit shiny almost because of the mesh material on this. It is a bit reflective, a bit shiny, whereas the black I found to be the most natural looking. So that's why I went for black anyway. But yeah, so far so good. I'm happy with that. I got my RST jeans on again. And it's alright. It's a boiling hot day today, and when I'm riding I feel quite comfortable actually. And my TCX boots as well, my nice brown boots. So all of these I'm going to review in another video, and my Alpine Stars boots. We're in Pontypool now, so that's Pontypool Tesco's by there. I'm going to drive you through the town centre. As you probably have seen by now, you know I like to show you around the town centres, different places. Why not? Come along, check it out. It may be somewhere you're thinking of going, or it may just be, it's like a real life street view, isn't it? Oh, street view is kind of real life, I suppose. Now Pontypool is somewhere I used to come as a child quite a bit actually, and like all these towns, and I'm not disrespecting Pontypool, but it's a little bit run down. You've got the council building still here, I think. So you've got a lot of council work. You've got the Tesco, which is obviously the main Tesco. It's a bit of an old-fashioned Tesco now. It's not like the modern ones selling absolutely everything you can think of. And again, you come down here, I think you've got the market. Pretty sure that's open every day, but I'm not sure. Maybe there is like a market day, but I don't think so anymore. Other than that, well, you can see a lot of places sort of either boarded up or with the shutters up. St David's Hospice Care, you know, so you've got some Christian Bookshop, Citizens Advice. You get the kind of idea of what's going on around you, don't you? Not a lot going on really. I know when I was young, it was, I'm sure it was a lot more bustling than this, but I don't know, maybe that's rose tinted glasses. I was a kid when so yeah, that's it. I can't actually drive through the high street because it's pedestrianised. I probably could actually, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to take you this way now because this is the way I'm going. Alright, and we're going to head towards Blaenavon now, which is where the shop is. Blaenavon, like I said, old mining town. If you look it up on Google, there's a place called Big Pit, and it's like an old mine, and you can actually go down there and do guided tours, that kind of thing. They take you down a big lift shaft. You all got to put your helmets on, your torches, and they take you down. I remember going there as a child, and I'm sure they do something, you know, turn your torches off, try and adjust to the light, all that kind of thing. Right, so this is Pont Newydd, Nisa Local. Small little place just north of Pontypool. I think it's north of Pontypool. You sort of drive out of it as quick as you drive into it really. Load of houses up the hill behind there. Okay, so we just went past the sign for officially entering Blaenavon, but this is it. We're in Blaenavon, heritage town. Gotta watch those tight streets like here, because to get your car out they have to swing wide usually, so I'm always a bit wary when you see a car poking his nose out like that. I actually just want a shop that's right in front of us over here. I hope it's still there anyway. Yeah, the building's there. I'm pretty sure I could just pull up outside. Here we go. Right, well, what's the chances of that? Guess what? It's a Thursday. It's just gone 1:30, and guess what time they close and on what afternoon? 1:30 on a Thursday. What are the chances? So that was a little bit of a wasted trip. Luckily I was heading to Pontypool anyway for work, like I said. So I'm going to head home. Only a short one today, guys. So I got a KTM just nipped past me at the lights. Now his bike is clearly faster than mine on the straight. But the sneaky little devil went past me when I was sat at the light. This is where he's going to get away from me, look. he's going places where I can't see round the bend, unfortunately. He's nipping out and he's getting away from me. I very much enjoyed that little blip, it was nice. So here we go, Usk Town. Nice little place this. Not a lot going on again, but it's nice. Hence the name Usk. It has got the River Usk flowing right through it, which we're about to go over in a second. And here we go, this is the River Usk. See there? Lovely, lovely on a day like this. That water's low now, mind. That's the only thing. That water is extremely low. He's off. Let's go. I'm hoping today, nice and warm, warm roads, warm tyres, will be a bit sticky. There's a few bends around here that you've got to be a bit careful on, you know, they keep sweeping round and you get a little bit of gravel on them as well sometimes, a bit of road grit. You just got to watch that your tyres, well, remain in a bit of traction with the road. But I think we'll be alright today. You can see he's a little bit nervous, fair play, he's at the front, he doesn't know what's round the bend, does he? But his bike is quicker. I don't know if that's a 400 or if it's a bigger bike and he's just not pushing it. He's getting away from me. He's got a 19 plate bike, I suppose, you know, mine's an old one, so you'd expect this to get away even if it was a 400. Same size engines, but this one is on a carburetor and it is, I don't know how many years old now. What's this one? 15, 22, yeah, it's about 16 years old, I suppose. Oh, it's some nice fun here though. Enjoying my little ride with my new riding buddy. All because he tried to sneak past me. I think he thought I was stalling. I did switch off, I'll be honest. I was at the lights, I looked up, they turned to green and he was past me. Oh, he's not done yet. He's not done. So here we are, we're in the village of Killeen. As I've mentioned before in like previous videos, Roman remains here, Roman baths, Roman amphitheatre. Absolutely surrounded by history around here. Alright, so we've left my new biking buddy. I'm off home. Go. So guys, I think I'm going to leave it there for today. If you're interested in any of the products I use to film my videos or any of the biking gear that I use, I'll put links to those in the description section below. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. If you're interested in DIY, you can head over to my other channel, POUSE Around the House, watch some videos. If you choose to do so, please give them a like and subscribe. And finally, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been POUSE Out of the House. Ta-ta, farewell.